How are you guys? Today we've got a GSX-s750. This is a 2017 model. It's had a hard hit in the front here. Damaged wheel, damaged discs, damaged forks, damaged frame, damaged triple. And as we pull that apart, we'll start to see the extent of that damage, how far it's moved back. But apart from here, onwards, it looks pretty good. Everything's all pretty neat, no leaks or anything. The motor all looks clean. The back end of the bike all looks clean as well. Good tires, got an aftermarket exhaust on there as well. This one has done 11,000 kilometers. We'll give her a start. That exhaust does sound quite nice. It's got a nice lump to it. Motor sounds good. Everything else seems pretty good electronically. No damage to the electronics that we can see. We'll show you obviously the damage to that front section, front wheel. Beautiful. This bike is currently being dismantled and all parts will be available on the website bikesparesaustralia.com very shortly.